When using the baseline dimension command, you now have new options to adjust the spacing on the subsequent dimensions. For example, we'll go ahead and start a baseline dimension, and we'll go ahead and pick our first point and our center point of our hole, and we can define it's vertical or horizontal, and we can just place our dimension where we desire for our first location or our first spacing point. Our next point, you can see a new option is down here to offset the dimension line, and by default this follows the ISO standard. For example, the 10 units, this can be ANSI standard, be a different value, but you can adjust this. Say for example, if you want to set that to 8, when you hit that, the spacing will adjust to 8, and all the subsequent dimensions will follow that same spacing, so you get a nice spaced dimension according to your setup standard, whether it's the ISO standard or your own custom standard spacing.